If your fridge ice maker water tastes like metal, the best move is to reroute the line so it goes through your under-sink water filter first. This way, both your faucet and ice maker get clean, filtered water. Alright, so here's the lowdown. You want to get rid of that right pointing T before the filter and instead have a single line coming out of the filter. Then, right after the filter, you install a new T-fitting that splits into two lines, one going up to your small faucet and the other heading to the fridge ice maker. For that, a 1/4 inch compression T-fitting works perfectly since your plastic tubing is likely a 1/4 inch as well. Make sure to use compression fittings because they're super reliable and easy to work with compared to push-to-connect or barbed fittings, especially when dealing with plastic tubing. It's also smart to add shut-off valves on each branch after the T. It saves a headache if you ever need to replace or fix something without turning off your whole water supply. When cutting your plastic line to install the T, use a proper tubing cutter for clean cuts, no jagged edges that leak. Don't forget to double-check all your connections for leaks by turning the water on slowly and watching closely. And if you want to be extra safe, wrap the compression fittings with a bit of plumber's tape before tightening them down. One of the biggest mistakes people make with under-sink water filter setups is placing the T before the filter. This means unfiltered water goes into your ice maker, which ruins the taste. Fix that by moving the split to after the filter. Another common issue is using push-fit fittings or barbed fittings without shut-off valves, so when something leaks or needs replacement, you have to shut off your entire water supply. Adding isolation valves solves this easily. Third, folks sometimes don't cut their plastic tubing cleanly or tighten compression fittings properly, which causes leaks. Always use a tubing cutter and snug those fittings just right. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and actually show up on time. Plus, contractors get a solid way to find work from people who need their skills without jumping through hoops.